Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time stumbling on my channel, this is Change Your Look. Okay, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get to style my headband wig looking this natural. It looks like my natural hair, right? No, it's not my natural hair. It's a Kinky straight 20 inches headband wig, and it came out really beautiful. Look at that. It really looked very beautiful. So guys, if you want to see how I get to style this hair this way, please keep watching. We're going to dive into the video right now, but before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please again support me by subscribing to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please again support me by subscribing to my channel and making sure your notification bell is on. So without taking too much of your pretty time, let's dive into the video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So guys, my hair is neatly cornrow, and then I'll be using the Vaseline scalp oil on my scalp. And after applying the scalp oil into my scalp, I just use my hand to massage the oil into my scalp. It's really very nice to make sure that your natural hair always have oil on it, and my hair is very dry, so I definitely need a lot of oil on my hair. So I'll be using the edge control. This edge control is one edge control that on Instagram they've hyped it so much. Everybody's talking about this edge control. So if you guys would like to get one of the edge control, I'll be leaving the link in the description section. I think I got it from Amazon, so I'll be leaving the link there. So if you want to order the edge control, you can order it. I tried it just the first time on my hair, and it actually worked very well. I just used the edge control to lay all my front hair, and it works very well. I think I actually like it, because if you guys have been following my tutorial, you know how much I talk about my natural hair not being able to lay down because my hair is very thick. So with this edge control, it was actually easy for it to lay down, so I think I recommend this one. So if you guys want to get one of it, I'll be leaving the link in the description section. I got it from Amazon, so you guys can pick yours if you want. Just like I said, that my hair is very thick, so I always have a specific way of trying to style my hair. So I had to comb the edges forward before laying it backward, so it can actually stretch a bit. So that's how I normally try to lay my edges, and it works for me anyway. So if your hair is very thick, it's very hard, you should try this method. It works a lot. So after doing that, because of sometimes the white residues that normally comes out when the hair is dry, I like using the scalp oil, because it's an oil, just to apply it, rub it, just tap it on my hair on top of the gel, just to make sure that when the hair is dry, I don't get to see those white residue on the hair. But normally I was supposed to apply it when the hair is properly dry, but I couldn't wait, so I just had to apply it immediately, and it works out the same. So after tying my hair down, I went in to apply some makeup on my face, and don't mind me, I decided not to use my eyebrow pencil. So after removing the hair tie, you need to see the horror movie on my face. The part that I actually tied, I could not put powder on that area, but I went back in to apply more powder. So you guys could see that the edge control actually lay my edges down, but I could see some white residue on the other side of the hair. So I'm just going to apply the Vaseline scalp oil on it. And if you guys would like to see a tutorial on how to expand the headband wig, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I just expand this headband wig for a client, so if you guys will see that, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. but the headband wig that I'm going to be using on this tutorial is a 20 inches straight kinky straight headband wig. The wig is really beautiful. I will also be leaving the link on the description section, so if you guys want to order the headband wig, you guys can just click on the link to order it on Instagram. And it came with like 4 pins, 2 at the front, 1 in the middle and 1 at the back, but most of the time I end up using just the 2 at the front, and even sometimes I end up not using any at all, because most of the time when I wear my headband wig, I just customize it and add adjustable elastic band on it, so it helped me to like wear it without even using any form of pin or clips on it. So it depends on everybody's preference, but right now on this tutorial I actually use the 2 pin at the front. You could see how beautiful the kinky hair looks. It's very nice, and funny enough, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed. That's the good thing about it. And I see people using straightener on kinky texture. I don't think that's a good idea, because anyone who is going for kinky straight hair, they're actually going for kinky straight because of the texture. So why using extra heat on it, try to straighten it when the texture is the unique thing about the kinky straight? And there are actually many ways that you can style headband wig. A lot of ways to style it. You can just style it just the way I fling it to the other side. You see how nice it looks? It's very nice. And you can also pack it upwards. You can just pack it like a ponytail. So what I'm doing right now is just to take a little piece of the headband wig at the back, the middle at the back, just take a little piece of it, then I'll braid it with expression attachment. And the expression attachment, I actually cut it into 2, then I share the into 2 like into 3 to make 1. I don't know if you guys understand what I just said right now. I cut the expression attachment into 2, and then I share one of the half of the attachment into 3. So I'm using one to braid this part. I'm going to use another one to braid the other part of it. You guys will notice I've been smiling a lot on this video. While I was trying to apply my makeup, my big auntie came in and she was just there. She said she wants to watch how I film and how I do my tutorial, and she was there, we're gisting while I was doing this tutorial. So that was why you could see me smile and smile. So just like I did on the other side, I'll still take a little bit of the headband wig at the back, the middle at the back. I'll just take a little bit of it and then braid it the other way also. So if you're watching this tutorial and you don't actually know how to braid, you've never braid before, I have a tutorial that I actually did on this channel, how to braid. Like, it's a step-by-step tutorial on how to braid. I think if you watch that video, you'll be able to understand, you'll be able to know the basic on how to braid. So I'll be leaving the link on that video over here, so you guys can actually click on it after watching this to watch it if you don't actually know how to braid at all. So I'm just knotting my hair, making sure that my hair is secure. It doesn't disturb, like start falling on my way when I try to like pin the braids on. So I actually use 2 pins on each braid, one at the end part of my ear, then the last one at the back, just to secure the tiny tips of the braid. So in total I use 4 pins, 2 in one of the braid and 2 on the other of the braid, which is 4 in total. Please guys, if you've watched this extent and you've not hit the subscribe button, please and please again support me by subscribing to my channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week, so if you want to see more of my pretty face, please and please again support me by subscribing. When you subscribe to my channel, it just encourages me for me to be able to do more videos, more tutorials for you guys. Please don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you. Just look at how beautiful this headband wig looks. Looking at it, you won't actually realize that it's headband wig. It looks like my natural hair, and I love this hair so much. And funny enough, when you style it this way, you can actually sleep with it, and the hair is so light, it doesn't feel like you even have anything on. Wow, look at that. This is about the simplest, most natural looking headband wig I've seen on YouTube. This is gorgeous. It looks very, very beautiful. I posted it on my Instagram page and everyone was just commenting, how did you style the hair? How did you do it? I said you guys should just hold on. I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel so you guys can watch. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Bye.